Today I'm going to show you the first version of my natural selection program. There may be a future video on this if I update this. Before I show you the program, you must know how this works. There are bots on a map with randomly generating food. The bots have several trays. Here is how you can determine them. One tray is speed. The faster the bot is, the lighter blue the bot is. The bigger the bot is, the bigger the bot is. Bots also have an energy level. After every millisecond of their existence they lose energy depending on their speed and size. The more energy a bot has, the less transparent it is. Bots also have a sight radius, which is their size multiplied by 4. Let's see if bots will sacrifice their energy for improved characteristics. While we watch, let me explain what the graph on the right is. The blue line records the population of bots. The green line represents the population of food. As you can see, the population of bots are decreasing as there is a lot of competition to get food. Bots can also duplicate if their energy level goes over 5000. That duplicate may also have a random mutation. Here is what happens when you leave this on for some time. In this case, the bots sacrifice their energy so they can have better eyesight. Let's see what happens if they start out huge. As you can see, the bots are sacrificing energy to gain more speed. Notice how the amount of food stayed constant. For now, this is all I have to show you. However, stay tuned for another video on this, because this may get several updates.